Here is my newly purchased water pitcher from Amazon. I was trying to take a picture, not a video, but it keeps switching to video. As you can see, our refrigerator is crammed with stuff, and this refrigerator does not fit a lot of things. See, not a lot of room in here. Didn't think about space when we bought this refrigerator. This is nice and slim. How's the Spigot? Can't believe how well it fits in here. In fact, I'm going to purchase a second one. We have the water and ice on the door, but 2 of us in this household drink distilled water, so we can just add it to this pitcher. I love it. Can't say anything negative about it. If you're thinking about purchasing it, please do so. I highly recommend it.
So it leaks out even with the stopper, and then even with it all closed, let me close this. It's still up. You can see it kind of drips out there, but which isn't as big of a deal, but
no leaks. Lemonade was awesome.